Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is ordering food over the phone conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Phew, the day was quite exhausting. Lots of happenings at school. I'm starving. Mom, what are we having for lunch? Mom, where are you? Oh no, she's not at home. Where could have she gone? And what's this? A note on the refrigerator. What does it say? She says, son, I had to leave in a hurry, and you will need to order food on the XYZ number. I'm so sorry. Love you. Gosh, okay. Let me call this number. Hello, sir. May I have your order, please? Oh, yes. You see, I don't have the menu card, so can you brief me with what is currently available with you? Sure, sir. We have burgers, pastas, pizzas, French fries, and donuts, just to name a few. I'll go with burgers. Which one, sir? In burgers, we have chicken burgers, mutton burgers, turkey burgers, wild salmon burgers, veggie burgers, and mushroom burgers. Do you have Whoppers? Yes, sir, we do. Great, so take down the order. Please go on. 1 chicken Whopper and 2 donuts should be perfect for me. Would you like to go for cream-filled donuts or chocolate frosted donuts? Chocolate frosted donuts are my favorite. Will you prefer dark chocolate or white chocolate? I will go for dark chocolate frosting. Very well, sir. Do you even offer any beverages? Yes, sir, we do offer Diet Coke. Okay, so I will take 1 Diet Coke. Noted. Is there anything else you would like to order? That's all. Can you please repeat the order? Sure, sir. Your order consists of 1 chicken Whopper, 2 dark chocolate donuts, and a Diet Coke. Perfect. And what will I pay for it? It'll cost you $2.50. Okay, take down my address. It is ABC. Perfect, sir. The order will be delivered to you within the next 20 minutes. Great, I'm waiting for it. Thank you for patronizing our food, sir. We appreciate your business. I must say, you guys have earned it.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then like and share my videos within your network.